We're here in South Seattle at one of our active siding projects, and I wanted to point out the vegetation here that's growing up against the cladding. It is always bad to have trees or bushes growing up against your siding because it will hold moisture against those surfaces, which will reduce the life of your cladding. Hi, I'm Steve with Pacific Exteriors, and this time of year, it's spring, everybody's worried about the interior spring cleaning, but your exterior needs some love too. We're here to talk about the things you should be looking at when it comes to taking care of the outside. So we're walking around the house right now just doing a physical inspection of the exterior. One thing that's important to remember is anything stacked along the side of the home, you don't want to be making physical contact with your cladding. You want a space there. And it's always good to actually check between these items to make sure that leaves and other debris haven't started to collect between the two, because things like that will hold moisture against the siding. Another thing that's important is looking at your caulk lines. Every year caulk is going to fail randomly, so it's always important every spring to go around and just check all of the areas that are caulked and that the caulking is maintaining its seal. If not, it's simple enough to cut out and re-caulk. Another item that's important, and it's probably easier to see, is over on this side, flashing gaps. Any horizontal flashing should have a 1/4 inch gap between the siding and itself, and sometimes debris and other things will get into this gap here. And when it does, you just want to make sure you get it cleaned out, because otherwise it will hold moisture and allow that spot to possibly wick. Also, you've got peeling paint. Another thing that's going to happen intermittently. You just want to make sure that you identify these areas and get it scraped up, prepped up, and repainted. Hardy also recommends that you pressure wash gently your siding once a year. As you can see, we've got some spots on here that need to be cleaned up, and a light pressure wash with some just regular soapy water will do the trick. Another item to put on your spring cleaning exterior checklist is gutters and downspouts. You want to go and check all of your gutters to make sure that they're cleaned out from the winter, all the windstorms that you've had, especially if you've got trees above, putting a lot of debris onto the roof and then running into your gutters. Same for downspouts. It's good to go up and give them a knock, make sure it sounds hollow. Sometimes they can fill up with debris and you have no idea that they're completely clogged up. And when you see trees sitting over your roof, it's good to pay attention to the fact that this also not only adds a lot more moisture dripping down onto these areas, but it builds shade up so that things don't dry as quickly. And so you can see the algae growth that's developing here on the roof. Just a good quick rinse will get rid of a lot of this sort of stuff. And this is the best time of year to do it. Areas that we commonly see damage as we take siding off is directly below the weep holes of your windows. And if you look closely, there are weep holes at the bottom left and bottom right of just about every window on your home. And that's because these frames are intended to take on water and then exit it through these weep holes. And so we talked about caulk lines and checking to make sure that they're intact. Underneath your windows is extremely important because these weep holes are sending a ton of water out through those ports, and it tends to roll backwards on your window frame and then down. And so if that caulk line has failed, water is just pouring into your system at those points. And as you can see here, the worst spots on this area are directly under those areas. So these are some of the things that you want to have on your radar as you're walking around the outside of your home as spring sets in. If you're interested in a free estimate, visit our website, and thanks for watching.